Questions 65 through 67 refer to the following conversation and instruction manual.
Hi, Billy. What are you doing?
I'm trying to assemble this table. Our manager told me to set up another one in this conference room.
Is it very complicated?
The instructions are pretty straightforward. I've used all the bolts to attach the legs to the tabletop. However, one of the remaining parts seems to be missing.
That must be frustrating. Have you contacted the company you ordered it from?
I called them this morning, but their customer service department was busy dealing with other issues. I'm going to try them again during my lunch hour.
Number 65. Where does the conversation most likely take place? Number 66. Look at the graphic. Which part is missing? Number 67. What will the man probably do during his lunch break?